Slime party, summer camp, and a whole lot of fun. Mercedes and Rayleigh are joining us this morning from Fox and Tots, and there's still some fun things your kids can get in this summer. It's good to see you guys. How are you?
Good morning.
Okay, this is exciting. If you've got kids at home, you are going to love this segment because we've got something for everybody at Fox and Tots. Let's talk about what you guys do. For people who aren't familiar with Fox and Tots, what are you all about?
We are a DIY boutique, so you can come in and make slime, a t-shirt, a hat. We even do like little statues with like slime art that's kind of new. We do fidget trading, which is also new. We'll get into that one
I'm
later.
excited about that. Yeah, if you're like a squishy fan, we've got something for you. So stick around. We'll tell you about that in a second. All right, Rayleigh, what are you doing over there? You're making slime with some snow?
Yes, I'm mixing snow into it, so it gets
Okay.
an ice cream texture. Because we're making gelato slime today.
Oh my
Do you want to add
gosh.
some decorations?
I do. Okay, look how fun this is. That's amazing. All right, and then you brought some goodies for me.
Yes.
I feel like I should add some cherries to my slime,
course.
right? Kind of everywhere. I don't know. Let's see. There's something relaxing about this. And then I'm going to add some bananas. Okay, and this is what you guys do out at Fox and Tots,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
So like if I want to come in and have a slime birthday party and put together my own little
for
slime
sure.
gelato, I can do that.
Yeah, like anything that anybody wants, we will make it happen out of slime for sure.
Should I add some sprinkles?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Of course,
I
right?
gotta add everything.
Oh my gosh, this is too much fun. I love it.
What scent do we want? We've got cherry blossom, blueberry, or candy.
Candy sounds about right.
All right, I'll add that for you.
Okay. I feel like I need a grown-up slime party. Can you do that?
Yeah, no, let's do it. Those
like
are the
that.
most fun.
So much fun. Okay, and you guys are like really the experts when it comes to slime. How did you get like the right recipe for this? Because it's
Just
pretty
trial and
amazing.
error. Like this recipe, actually, Rayleigh made it up.
I did.
Okay, because you're the slime whisperer over there. I love that. All right, look at that. It's
Yes,
slime
it's so
gelato. That looks like so much fun. Let's talk about some of the summer slime parties that you guys have going on. So birthday parties, whatever else, right?
Yeah, so we can go out to you or you can come to us. We do any theme. We add other stuff to the parties too, like, if you want to paint, if you want to fidget trade, squishy parties, that's all the stuff that we've been adding to our party schedule, yeah.
And we still have some summer camps available, right?
Yes, through-
Okay.
Yes, through mid-August.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you've got a kid at home and they're not ready to give up on summer just yet, it's okay because you can send them to a camp at Fox and Tots. All right, let's talk about this fidget trading because this is something that's very popular on TikTok right now. What is it all about?
Okay, so the kids, they've been squishy hunting and collecting, so they bring in their fidgets and even their slime. Since we're a slime shop, we're like, yes, bring in your slime. And you put it out on the board. We should have brought a board, but you put it out on the board and you say, okay, this is what I want to trade.
Okay.
And then somebody puts in what they're going to offer, and then you can either like add or decline it, and then they swap. And we've been doing it, and it's been so fun. It's
That
been
is
really
so
busy.
smart.
Yes.
I love that because yes, we like to collect all of our little squishies
Yeah.
and our dumplings and things like that, but you do get tired of them and you want to swap them out. So this is a way to
Exactly.
do it.
It's been great.
I
yeah.
love that. Okay. Can people just walk into the shop or do we need to set an appointment? How does all that work?
You guys can just walk in. For the fidget trading, we are just doing it like on event days
Okay.
as of right now. But if you just want to make slime, you just come in anytime. So,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you're ready to have a little fun with slime. I want to kind of
Let's
smush
do
it.
Go
Can
for
I?
it. Yeah. Go for it.
Oh, yes. Look at that. I don't know. There's something good about that, guys. I love it. So much fun. Let me tell you where you can find Fox and Tots because they've got a ton of fun things happening. Take a look at your screen. They are at 502 Embassy Oaks, Suite 109. You can give them a call at the number on your screen. You can also go to foxandtots.com. All the details are there for you. And of course, give them a follow on social media as well. They've got all the details about those upcoming events at Fox and Tots.